Welcome back, everybody. So today in this video, we're going to be using this hammer to smash an assortment of objects. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I made this hammer in school a year or two ago, and it was actually my first time welding. So the welds on there are a little bit crappy. And honestly, I think the hammer might break in today's video. Hopefully not. I don't really want to re-weld it, but I will if I have to. But yeah, I followed like some YouTube video I found. I basically just cut out pieces of metal like origami and put it together that way. And then I used like a solid steel bar as the handle, welded that in. And it weighs about 15 or 16 pounds, so I really think it can do some damage, but we'll see. Just remember, always wear protection. Okay, first up, we're gonna do an orange. Let's see how that goes. That's one way to make orange juice. Okay, now we're gonna try an apple. Okay, now we're doing a Mountain Dew energy drink. 3, 2, 1. Jeez. Okay, now we're trying a watermelon. I really hate to waste these, but it has to be done.
Jonah,
What?
literally drenched.
Sorry.
What?
Okay, now we're smashing some concrete. This is where I'm really afraid the hammer might actually break, so let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. That was so easy.